I think CPI was this morning at 8:30. Not much. $8:30 candle. 8:23. $6.95. So 24, 788.75. The market will try and move up to here to fill this gap at open. Or I hope it yanks and takes out Asia and then goes and just moves up all day, or moves down all day instead of choppy bullshit like yesterday. And I got stopped out and was done for the day. And the market just went. What I was looking for yesterday. So I'm just going to go back to trading every account individually. That seemed to be working best for me. So my screen will look completely different so I can see every chart and every entry. So the way I trade this is with the DOM. It won't be very interesting for me to showcase the trading with the DOM. You wouldn't see anything. So there it goes. So, like I said, I'd like to see 788. Dang. Let's get some follow through. 788, please. Nope. Break even. Wow, what the fuck, man? Dang, those break evens are killing me. How is this not freaking gonna go? Break even. Doesn't want to fill that gap. That was nice. Break even is freaking killing me though. All right. Gap has been filled, so I'm just gonna wait now. All this bullshit just to do that and turn around. Wild. See if we can see if we got sellers above this prior day high. Let's see if it can go down and take out 619. Looks like he wants to drop. Excuse me. Maybe she gonna drop. Break even. Stopped out at broke even. Market's down 50. Yeah. Damn, dude. Break even sucks. I need to turn that off. Oh. If this is a dang choppy ass day like yesterday. It's going nowhere. It's gonna drop. Oh shit. Up 300, stop out, break even. Up 300, stop out, break even. Up 300, stop out, break even. And then it'll go down. That's freaking nuts. All right. Turning that break even shit off. Yeah, they're holding this. They're holding it. Problem is they kind of chop it down until they just let it go. I don't know why it cancels that. Mm-hmm. Yep, there it goes again, down. Should get down and take that out. There's 1,000. Yep, there's 800. Oh my gosh, I did not fill that one. All right. $44. That was a good one. So there we are, swiping Asia. So what I think I said before this market opened that I wanted the gap to fill and then go down to Asia. Right? See? We just barely wicked this gap, fill, and then came down to Asia. So we're swiping it now. This would be the next level down here. 24/5/1975. Market's down to 175. So I would expect a reaction down here. All right, that's That's the push I was looking for out of Asia. Nice reaction back up. If we go, keep going higher, 24,865. Beautiful push. Beautiful push out of Asia. Sometimes taking that Asia, trade is scary, but sometimes you get very good reaction out of there. Take a little 15-minute or a little 15 pointer maybe. How the fuck did I get stopped out of that? There we go. Jeez. The problem with the DOM is that it market orders. It doesn't have a freaking. I like, using limit orders, but when I'm trying to trade this many accounts at once, it doesn't fucking matter. Could be a small reaction here. If it not, it'll just keep going. So 40 to 80, 60 could go, 800 could go back up to 800 level. Chasing at this point. 60, 70, 80, 90. Just wait and see what it does right here. Prior day high. But if it breaks out of here, it's going to keep going. Right? Take out Asia at 863. Another 100 points. Yeah, that's pretty aggressive. Holy shit. All right, 862.50. That's what I'm looking for now. It's just, I'm just gonna throw one at it. Probably get stopped out. Can this pull back? There we go. Can you just pop? Pop. Nah, it's good. It's hesitating. That account is done. There it goes. There it goes. is 63. Go to 63. Yeah. Damn. Mm-hmm. 865-ish. Oh, 863.75. Yeah, it's fine. It didn't take out Asia high, which it very well might. Ooh, yank. Uh-oh. Oh, damn, that fucking stop loss did not hit. Retest. Hmm. I only have 2 accounts that are red right now. Fill it. What a rejection. Watch her go now. Nope. Nope. Do. Getting bought up again. Underneath this. Wow. 50-point pop. Wow. That was a nice pop. 44. Okay, that one's at almost 1,000. That one is at 400. I'm not trading that one anymore. Dude, this shit. Oh, come on. I hate the fills on market orders. I think it will go back up, or no? Just chop in here. Okay. I don't like those wicks up there. I don't know. I think this thing is going to freaking... This one's up 830. Just going to put it at break even. Can this thing push? Damn. Nope. Just take profit today, huh? Just take them profits today. Wow, look at that yank. This thing is just ridiculous. It's holding. It's not selling off. Dude, that one is getting the worst fills. Come on. This thing is freaking holding, huh? They are holding this spot. Just under the prior day high. Market's down 71. There we go. Frickin' just follow through this time, please. I got it. It's, what? It's a 100-pointer or something. So from not taking profits every time. There we go. Come on. Could this be the breakout? Or am I going to regret not taking 5, 6, 7, 800 bucks? There we go. I'm just going to go break even. There we go. That's 1,100, 1,200, 1,000. So that's 50 points. I'm still holding it. Let's get 100 points right here. All right. I don't like that. I'm gonna. Should we just leave these two going? I keep getting stopped fucking out at trying to hold them for the bigger moves, but you know, you would think that with this news, it would pick a direction and go, but it's clearly not. It's moving 50 points like crazy. And so it retested that. Market's only down 14 now. Back up. Psychological 800. Can we get it back up there? Take out that 800. No follow through in any direction. Head up to that 800. This thing just, come on. Go swipe that. Are they buying a red day? Are we flipping? Are we flipping? Gonna get stopped out. Two stop out. I'm out. Well, that was at least 25 points from that entry. Fuck you. Good fucking God. Once again, do I take it or do I hold it and get stopped out again? Up 6, 7, 800. That's freaking crazy. This pop and drop. I just got out of break even. I think it's going to go. Once it goes, wants to go. I mean, there's 30-something points. Come on. Can we follow through? I mean, have we even freaking... We haven't even swiped Asia high yet, 863.75. So that's what I'm going for. Just gonna go break even on these. There we go. Come on. Follow through. 863.75, please. I mean, 860, I'm out. Just follow through. So that's up 1,000 on this one. These home run, trying to go for home runs has not been ideal with this chop. Look at that. 40 points, giving it right back. This is very choppy. Oh, this one needs to be break even. Okay, it did not get stopped out, and it's pushing right back up. 863.75 is the target. So that was a good push back up. $860. Okay, come on. Still holding up 1,200. Push it. 863. You know you want it. Just going to trail this up a little bit. 60, 70. So we get stopped out plus 200. Probably just... There we go. Trailing it a little more. I want this candle to continue. Right, that's 1,300. That's 60 points. Right? 60 points. I'd like to see if we can get another 30. Don't be greedy like me. There we go. Freaking give it. How much did that just give up? Dude. 900 or so on every single one. Sorry, I was trying to go for a 100-pointer there. I think I got 40 points, 50 points, multiple times today. It's just not wanting to follow through. Not as fast as I'd like. Watch is going to pop it right back up. Damn. That's crazy. Let's see if this can pop back up there finally, but they keep buying it right up. It hasn't hit my target to the upside yet. Get up there now. Mm. Nope. Wow, what a yank. Does it get bought right back up? They just like to fuck with you on the way up. The buyers are holding it. Get up there, 860. That's psychological 800 zone is just hanging around. It's okay. There we go. Come on. No. Don't really care. It's this gap fill psychological 800 zone. It's just proving to be more resistance. Retesting the prior day high. It's 10 points off that. Move this back up. Dude, it's got to go for that Asia high, man. Market's negative 30, 40, right where it opened. They're defending the prior day high. Just take my 200 bucks since I've been stopped out a bunch of times. There's 25 points. There's 30 points. I'm up 700, 800. Just off of this prior day high retest. I'm just going to go to break even because if it freaking trashes right through it, then it'll probably go lower. Which I may get stopped out at break even. But if you took that trade, you made 500, 600. I want to see that Asia high. From Asia low to Asia high. 860. I think the market just doesn't know how to take the report still, or seems like there's buyers in here. And if this thing breaks out, it's probably an all-day move to the upside. Yeah. Just going to take that 400 or whatever it is. Fuck. Watch, it'll go now, but it's going nowhere. Now it's going to go. There it goes. Fucking kidding me, bro. Now chase it. These 50-point pops and just go right back. This is insane. Unreal pullback there. No follow through. Still. Go take out that freaking Asia high. Just a rapid expansion up. eventually. It's 500, 25 points again. Break unique, going to break even. $864, $863. Can we get it this time? Break even. And it gets it all back. Keep it going. I'm going to put this actually right below this 1 minute. No. There's 50 points on this one, but it keeps getting some resistance right here. All right, if this is indeed the breakout, we should be able to push to 864.75 is what I'm looking for, but I'm just dropping this down to 63. So this is 757.75, and I'm going for 863. That's over 100 points. Right, that's 1,000. Looking for another 50, be another 1,000. Hopefully, let's fucking hold it. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Do not frickin' do the same bullshit. This is 50 points, so that's 1,000. Hopefully that 800 mark can be support now. My stop is where it's at, right? Below this candle. This one, I'm moving it up even more. There's that candle. If it can finally break out. There we go, 1,700. Taking out the high. 814, 1,500. Did not take out the high, and it did not take out my actual target yet, right? 863. All right. And we hit it. Held it the whole time. Freaking amazing. Did you come in?
No.
Well, my PT hit, so held it the whole time. Over 100 point long. I have one account left I can trade. I'm not touching the rest. So we're swiping Asia currently. Almost up to 900. I don't want to get long right here, but see if we can hold above Asia. Yeah. Let's see, what was yesterday's? Let's see where we're at as far as okay. Yeah. 969, 989. Pivot in a 50%. Okay, markets rejected from this zone. Right. right here a few times. $9.44. So that gap fill in that 23 kind of correlated, right? Just had a lot of trouble. Once it popped over, though, it's free. It's freed up. Not much of a reaction here at this 38, but we could keep climbing up to this 50%, right? 24, 980, 950, and that is only from yesterday. Yesterday's New York Open. To Asia low. Oh no, to New York low, because New York took out Asia. So one account left I could scalp. Probably just go for 60, 15 points or something. Use the restroom real quick. Oh, that's a pullback, right? From this bounce zone, it had a lot of trouble yesterday. That bounce right there. Maybe a scalp right here. 15 points. Maybe 800. Yep, I knew that was going to freaking happen right there. I don't want to. I'm chasing this. Come on. I don't like that. Oh, I should have got out right there. Break even. Just going to get out of break even. All right. Break even. There you go. Okay, 800. Could be a strong little scalp area. And I'm going to take that. 235. Probably try another 10 pointer, see if I can get this account up to 500 or so. This whole area, that initial reaction, 800 psych zone. About to tap that gap fill. Try another 10 pointer maybe. Did not fill. $800 level again. $772.50 would be that 23. I mean, this should be a good support zone. Wow, gave that up pretty easily. 772, that's a 23. There you go. Another reaction. Wow, it's giving back this entire freaking move. That's crazy. I'm mean, there's a lot of action in this zone here. Try to scalp long for 10. Just tag it. Tag it. Pretty weak. There we go. That counts at 435 now. Two 10-point scalps. I think it was up only like $35 or something, and that's why that's the last one I wanted to trade. I got 1, 275, 980, 270, 640, 960, 375, 515, 435. And wow. Retesting the prior day high now. Another scalp zone, unless they just give it all up. All this consolidation just to sweep this zone right here and then give it all back up and sell off for the day would be insane. Good morning. You're up early too, huh? Sorry, I didn't see that. I didn't know when you sent that. Holding that prior day high right here. Well, right back into this consolidation range, right? Could have got a nice little scalp long off of that. Every time it came down and hit it, it bounced. Obviously my targets were much higher, and I was convinced it would go there, and it worked out. But there it goes, respecting this again. Wow, what a pop. 70 points. Crazy. All right. Dang. Almost. Oh my gosh. Wow. What a pop. All right. I think I'm going to call it a day. I've traded all of my accounts. I don't want to. Very, very, very green. So I don't want to give anything back. Part of this whole process is knowing when you're green and when to walk away. So I'll call it a day. We'll be back next week. Actually, I think the market's closed on Monday, so we'll be back Tuesday. Have a good weekend.